See that right there? You know why that's so empty? Cause we going to Nashville, and I gotta buy myself a cowboy hat and some cowboy boots and some hot chicken. What's up, everybody? We're gonna go to Nashville, Tennessee. Ooh.
Where are you going, Daddy?
I'm going to Nashville, Tennessee. Okay?
Is that a lot to go?
Yes. Come here, Joshy. Give me a hug. Are you sad?
Yeah, he's sad.
Mwah. We'll be back. All right. You kids are gonna be good when we're gone?
Yeah.
All right, kids. Give Daddy a big ol' hug. All right, we're headed out.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too.
You too.
Mwah.
Okay, you take care of your sister and your brother, huh?
Hello, sir. See that right there, guys? That's Gate Mall. We live right next to the mall. Thank you, sir. Take it.
Right now we are at Kuwait International Airport and we are going to Nashville, Tennessee.
Yo, this guy right here, he got a Falcon.
To proceed for boarding, gate 5. Thank you.
We just made it through immigration, and now we're gonna do what we do best. Eat all the food at the lounge. We're in Terminal 1. We are going to the Dasman Lounge. Gotta have the rice.
Rice.
These guys are the best. I am full. That chicken spinach is pretty good.
Hi kids! Ay, Jazzy Bear. Inagaw na naman yung telepono.
Boarding call for frequent flyers, gold, platinum, silver.
Silver.
I must be so good to be
First one on the plane. There's my seat right here, all the way back here. All the way back there. Way back there. Sitting at 17A. So we're going from Kuwait to Nashville. It's gonna take us 25 hours and 39 minutes. We're gonna leave Kuwait, we're gonna go to Doha, and then after that we're gonna go to JFK, and then for some reason we gotta take a bus or a shuttle from JFK to LaGuardia, and then after that LaGuardia to Nashville. Music City of the world, right? This is my review of Qatar Airways B777 tag 300ER. Let's go look at this plane. Nice big screen, USB port. You got the controller, nice little tray right here. Nice little headrest right here. I eat a chicken pastry. We just made it to Qatar.
On the seat of Qatar, your gateway to the world, where the local time is 20
Well, that's the first leg of our trip. 1 hour and 25 minutes. Welcome to Doha Airport. All I gotta say is traveling without kids is the easiest thing. If you travel and you don't have kids and you're complaining, there's something wrong with you. You just don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I know, right?
But we do miss our kids.
Imagine traveling with 3 kids.
It's time for some lounge beers.
I could fall in love with you right here, right now. Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you. From Doha, we're going to JFK. It's gonna take 14 hours and 5 minutes. You ready?
Yay! Sleep.
And Qatar Airways, why don't you let me sit next to my wife? How come she's in front of me and I'm behind her? What's wrong with you guys?
I know, right?
Come on now.
I know, right? I know, right? Why is
Get your
it?
shit together. All right, guys, this is the A350. I'm gonna show you guys the entertainment system. Ooh, got a little power right there. fancy little light system. Who's that back there? And that's it. I hope you enjoyed your tour. And I'm not sitting next to my wife. We're halfway through our flight, and now we're getting internet.
The local time is 40 minutes past 7 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned on.
So right now we're going to take a taxi from JFK to LaGuardia.
We have 5 hours layover here at LaGuardia. We just get out from JFK. We arrived from Doha to New York. We arrived in JFK. And now we're transferring to LaGuardia.
Alright, we're headed to Nashville right now.
See you all carinators.
Remember to remain safe with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft departs to the gate. The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign.
Nashville. Oh, long travel day. We just got to Nashville, Tennessee. Jet lagged. That was a long trip. It was 25 hours and 39 minutes to get here. 5 airports, 3 lounges, endless amounts of coffee, but we're here. All right. Dude, check out the nice carpet up in this place. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. And you're the only 10 I see. Home of hot chicken and country music and bridal showers. So right now we're in waiting area number 1. We're waiting for my sister. She's supposed to be here, but she's always late. So shame on you, Angela. We just got picked up by Angela and Juan.
Hi.
Hey.
And now we're going to our Airbnb.
Just made it to our Airbnb. First thing we're gonna do, bathroom tour. That is the bathroom. Ta-da! Amenities. With the velvet touch. Big stove. Coffee is life. Stupid guy.
That right there is the unofficial tour. I'll be giving you guys a real tour later. Right about now, we're gonna go outside and try to get some food. Let's get some barbecue, yo. Me and my sister Angela enjoying the town. So right now we're gonna check out this restaurant. It's like a restaurant slash groceries. They got good barbecue. I believe it's pronounced Puckett'S. Let's go see what's up. I'm hella hungry.
It's pronounced like.
What the? Right here at Puckett'S restaurant. This is a Puckett'S brew. It's brewed right here in Nashville, Tennessee by Blackstone Brewery. Cheers, guys. Yo, check this out right here. These are the brisket nachos. Let me show you guys the perfect chip. Get a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of cheese, a jalapeno, and a bunch of brisket right there. See that right there? That's how it's done right there. That's how it's done.
For the rum.
Behind the scenes right there.
That's the behind.
This is the full farm. We got the ribs, we got the fried chicken, we got the pulled pork, and we got the brisket. And they got a pancake on there. No, it's like a breakfast for me. Cheers, guys. We also got macaroni, sweet potato fries. Let's dig in. Yo, we smashed that. I gotta say, get that pulled pork and get that Puckett'S brew. All right, guys, we're
We're
out.
already in the province. I said we're also here in Nashville.
Dude, you know what's the best thing about drinking beer at the lounge? No one cares. You can do it all day. It doesn't matter. It doesn't.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't. It doesn't.
505. Oh, it's a video. Oh, man. There's paint right here in this elevator. Dude, we got paint on us. We got paint on us.
Rain, you got it on you.
Oh, no, look at that. Come on, Airbnb. You guys know we're coming. Don't be painting. See that right there? That right there, Johnny Cash, Jeremy No Cash.